hands down, there's going to be disruptions to supply chains, to sailings. You know, as like we said with the vessel rolling, like that's going to mess up. You know, for weeks. Once something gets rolled, it could take weeks if there are a lot of rolls for a schedule to get back on track. And we're seeing that all over the place. I did quickly mention the new U.S. rules proposing charges on vessels built in China and also on Chinese carriers. There is a loophole in that, of course, of if the vessel is under 4,000 TEU, they don't have to pay the fee. Most of those smaller vessels right now are used on kind of smaller feeder routes, and we've been transitioning and building out port infrastructure in the US for years now to accommodate the larger 10, 12, 15,000 vessels. But all of a sudden, if the small vessels become cheaper because they don't have to pay a port fee, like you could see a total shift in how vessels are deployed around the world. The reason that the shipping companies have gone to bigger ships is because you have to pay one crew and you're getting much more efficient per container when you're putting 20,000 on one ship instead of 3,000. But now, if you have to pay millions of dollars in fees for that 20,000 to ship to dock, those economies of scale are gone. And they'll have to shift them to smaller vessels, which, you know, the number of vessels going through ports are going to change for the routes, like just total kind of chaos for a little bit as the whole system reorients to the new normal.